Okay, so we've been working on a BulletHell renderer that is crazy. Handles over 8,000 bullets and has lots of different bullet types and comes from a bullet atlas. And we are streaming all that data into a particle Niagara system. And we just got done adding in sorting. So this is where we're at now. So you'll see the craziness in this system. Okay, so it's currently firing out a ton of bullets, and you can tell. Oh, that's so crazy. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pause it. Right now my system is very taxed because I'm also recording and everything else, but we're gonna go ahead and pause it here at almost 6,000 bullets. And you can see the sorting. Right now I have it to be where the spiders have the highest sorting. So they're the ones on the front right now. And then I believe next is the bones. Let's see. The bones should go over. Actually no, it's the green. The green ones are in front of the bones, I believe. Yep, in front of the bones, and then the bones are second to last priority, which they only cover the flames at this current point. But yeah, you can kind of see how crazy this system can get. But that's why you see mostly like spiders, and then the spiders themselves, they are all considered the same at this point. So what ends up happening is some have lived longer than others, and so that's why you see the different sorting parameters there. That's something I'm going to fix next. This system also has, see, let me change the camera speed here back to regular. It also has, this whole system also has collision. So it won't collide with anything, or it will collide with the ground and then be destroyed. So currently that's just how it's set up. But yeah. So this is where we're at. It's been a crazy journey. But yeah. Hopefully, hopefully those who are watching this gets a huge kick out of this. There's been a lot of work put into this system. Yeah, just to look, just so you can see real quick, this system is comes from an 8K Atlas, and it has animation. We just have these 4 current bullets here. Let me zoom in a little closer here. Yeah. It's definitely been a journey. Whoa. Looks like we're tapped out, so it's only shooting. Oops. It's only shooting some bullets until it gets to the edge. Now that a lot have gotten to the edge, it's spraying out fast because those ones are now leaving. I currently have it set up to 100 seconds max lifetime, I think. Anyways, yeah, that's where we're at. I hope you enjoyed. Until next time.